Guys, this is Malinki. Welcome back to my channel, Voice of Malinki. Today we will talk about ultrastructure of sarcomere. And if you are new in my channel, please subscribe my channel. And if you like my video, please like, comment and share my video. So what is sarcomere? Sarcomere is the functional unit of striated muscle fiber. Striated muscle means I am talking about our skeletal muscle. Skeletal muscle. And muscle fibers are nothing but muscle cells. Okay. Now, each muscle cell contains numerous rows of sarcomeres, like 1, 2, 3, 4. These are all sarcomeres in these way. These are present in the muscle fiber or muscle cell. And it is the functional unit of muscle cell. Why? I will tell it later. And the sarcomere is mainly made up of two main protein filaments, actin and myosin. We will see how they are arranged. And the sarcomere is between two Z lines. So this is the image of sarcomere and it is between the two Z lines. This is one Z line and this is the other Z line. And in between these two Z lines there is the sarcomere. Okay. Now let's see its components. First is A band. This is the A band. So what is A band? Basically, A bands are also called as anisotrophic bands. They are also called as dark bands. So basically, A band contains full length myosin filament plus portions of thin actin filaments that overlap with myosin filament. What does that mean? Okay. So this is the red line. You can see this is the myosin. Red is myosin. This is also myosin. Here you can see green one, that is actin. Both are proteins. Actin, actin, actin in this way. Now, what happens? This full length of myosin plus half of actin. That means only this part and this part. Okay. So, full length myosin plus portions of actin that overlap with myosin filament. So, this part is overlapping the myosin filament. This part is overlapping the myosin filament. This is known as A band. So, what is A band? Full length of this myosin and partial length of actin from both the sides which are overlapping the myosin. That is A band. Hope this is clear for you. Next is I band. So I band is also known as isotropic band and they are also known as light band. Portions of actin filaments that do not overlap with myosin filament. Okay. So this portion, this much, and here this much, which are not overlapping the myosin filament. You can see this portion and this portion, these two portions are not overlapping the myosin filament. They are known as I band, right? Okay. Z lines. So we have already seen the Z lines. So basically I bands attached to the Z lines. You can see that I bands are attached to the Z lines. The A band is not attached to the Z line. Next is M line. So M for, you can say M for middle. So this marks the middle line, this one. It marks the middle line of the sarcomere and it contains the proteins myosin. You can see here only myosin proteins are there, not the actin. Only myosin proteins are there in the M line. Next is age zone. So age zone is the central part of myosin filament not overlapped by actin filaments is known as age zone. Okay, I will erase these parts and I will show you the age zone. You can see that this part is the age zone. That is the central part of myosin filament, and this part is not overlapped by actin filaments, right? This part is not overlapped by actin filament. So this is known as age zone. And A and I bands are arranged alternatively throughout the length of sarcomere. Okay. So first is then I band, then A band, then I band. Alternatively, they are arranged. And the alternating A and I bands create the striated appearance of muscle. So because of these alternating arrangement of A and I bands, the muscle looks striated. Now, why sarcomere is the functional unit of muscle? Because due to the action of A band and I band, muscle contraction occurs. So this is all about today's lecture. I hope you liked the lecture. Thank you for watching my video.